Hey everyone, and I'm making this video early morning at about 8:50 a.m. I thought there are these two very nice developments in these two FNO stocks, and I must share with you all. And uh, First of all, let's have a look what has happened in the international market. So right here you have the international markets. S&P is about 1.43%. In fact, the entire US market is about 1.5% up. Although FTSE, CAC, DAX, they were down, but STX Nifty is slightly up. But if you see the previous closing from there, it's about 150 point, 130, 140 points up. Nikkei is positive, straight time is positive. So I'm expecting market sentiments to be a bit positive only. All right, with this information, let me take you to the two stocks that I have on my radar. The first stock that looks good to me at this point of time is Apollo Tyres. Apollo Tyres, why does it look? Because the way yesterday's candle was formed. So we'll just decipher the volumes first. So if you notice, the volumes have appeared on this particular day here, right? That means on this candle, the volumes have appeared. This candle, the volumes have appeared on this candle after the price went horizontal, and now it looks to be heading in the upward direction if yesterday's high is broken. So the first stock that is on my radar is Apollo Tyres. And the second stock, now how do we trade into this? Your stop loss is going to be 313 and you will buy it above 324 or 325 for a target of at least 1:2. So stop loss is about 10 points, but I would say stop loss, let's reduce the stop loss to about 5 points, and you can definitely look for a target of about 10 points. So that is our stop loss is going to be somewhere around 320, and we will buy it above 325, and it can go up about 5 or 10 points. You can definitely expect. Another stock which I have on my radar is not for a short duration, it is for the at least 2 to 3 months. It can be on your radar, and it is an FNO stock, and that is ITC. Have a look at ITC, the way it's developing, the way it's made a double bottom pattern on a shorter, on a 1 day time frame. It looks very promising after 345, right? You can go for a buy. What I plan to do in ITC, I plan to make a hedged trade. So I'll go for futures, I will go for ITC, I will go for January at least, right? I will buy it. Let me just remove these, whatever existing trades are. I will buy the futures. I need about 1 lakh of rupees and I'm going to hedge it. So how will I hedge it? I will hedge it with almost like um, 345 put only, right? I will buy a 345 put at the same, wherever the price is right now, I'm going to buy a put at that time, that place only. My margin is going to be 29,280. Okay. Now, what I also plan to do, I want to see how the trade will look like. So this is how the trade looks like, right? I mean, there could be some data stuff here. So the loss, maximum loss that the strategy can have. Sorry. I have used a 350 put, not 345 put. I bought one lot of futures and I bought 350 put. Thoda sa in the money put hai, but yeah, I can modify it to 345 put. And I will modify it. Let's see what changes comes in. So the loss has become little higher. Minus 9,600 is the loss. And margin required is about 22,230 and profit is unlimited. So now if we are taking about 10,000 rupees a loss, our target should be at least 20,000 rupees. So per lot, if you invest about 25,000, let's take it roughly, and if you get about 20,000 rupees, it's almost like 100% return. So to me, ITC is looking good, and I have showed you the trade. It looks good to me. I'll buy a future lot and I'll buy a put, and My maximum loss is defined, my margin is defined. I've shown you the margin here as well, about 29,000. So there could be some discrepancy between the Opstra and the Zerodha's calculation. So about 29, I would say rather about आप 40,000 को लेके चलिए, 40,000 आप deploy करोगे और आपको minimum profit that I'm expecting should be about 20,000. So 50% return in 1.5 month is not less from any angle. Because the build-ups are positive, because the stock is building up in a positive way, double bottom has been well defined, and if it breaks 345, we at least expect it to go to 360. So this is what my two trades are, and I'm making this video before the market begins so that you all can use it. And see you in the live market from 10 to 11. We will be trading live with you all. So see you in the live market. All the best. Take care, guys, and be there in the live trading, and let's make money together. Bye bye. Take care.